So today I'm gonna show you how I make music with my students. Often the first time they ever touch a guitar, I sit down and I make a melody with them. So today my victim is Simse, and he has almost never played guitar before. So let's do it. Since you're not able to play chords, because this is the first time you have ever touched a guitar, then I'm gonna make the chords for us, but I'm only gonna use E minor, C, D, and G, because then when we have made a tune, then we can start to play it. And when we have learned to play these chords, we can also play Heart of Gold, which is a great song because it has some amazing rhythms and it's a great song. So what I do is that I pick the first chord and then I ask Simse to choose a note that he thinks sounds good, and he is simply gonna do that twice for each chord. Another way we could do it is that we swap, so every other time I choose the melody note, but today it's only gonna be Simse.
Alright.
So I will start by playing a G, and the whole idea is to make it as simple as possible. So Simse is only allowed to choose the notes from the thin E string, the bottom string, and then we are using the fret numbers to write down the melody. As a new guitar student, you would most likely try to do something and like it very fast, and so it's very important that you do it very slowly and you listen to each an individual note. So you simply start by playing, and you can do it more slow than this. And then when you find a note you like, then you simply say. But you have to hear all the 12 different notes.
Before I can choose one?
Yes.
Okay.
And we go to the 12th fret.
Yeah.
Just to
This
not
one?
make it more confusing than it is already. So I will play the G and you will pick a note.
Okay. Should I pick two or just one for a start?
To start, you only pick one.
Okay.
But
I choose this one.
so which fret is that?
That must be 11, 10, 9.
You can also do like this: 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah,
5,
sure,
6,
yeah.
7.
Seventh fret.
So I write 7, and then yes, you have to select 2. So
Okay.
you play 7,
Yeah.
and then figure out which note should come afterwards.
I know I like this one already.
So 7, 2, and then I choose the next chord, which is gonna be the E minor, and then we continue.
I think I'll choose this one. Number 3. And the 5th.
The 5th. If Simse was very fast at finding the notes and didn't really experiment trying the different notes out, then without saying that the note he chose was bad, I would just say that try to do some other notes just to figure out if the first ones was really the ones that he liked the most. But since Sims is doing this automatically himself, then I will not say anything. So let's try to play it. We will play 1 bar 7, 1 bar 2, 1 bar 3, 1 bar 5. 3, 4. Very nice.
Yes.
I was thinking that maybe we should repeat these two because it just makes so much sense in my ears. And then we continue, and I will simply choose something that I think sounds good. So it's a D, and you just again find two notes.
Okay. Yeah.
And yet again, he tries all 12 notes, which is really good.
I'll go for this one, number 2.
Number 2.
And number 3.
Yes. The next chord is going to be C.
I'll choose just the loose one.
So
the
0.
0, yeah. And then the 7.
Yes. Let's try to play it all. 3, 4. So now we made an A part, and what we could do now was to make a B part and make a form and arrangement, and we could make lyrics for it and simply make it a song that we could play and maybe even record. This technique for me is very special because it's so easy, and because it's easy you can simply do it with everybody. So if you just started playing guitar and knows how to play a few chords, then you can sit down with your friends, your family or whoever and simply write some music together. And all of what I have experienced is that it's really nice to do it together. And then When Simsy gets better, then we could swap, so he played the chords, so we could take turns on making the chords. Only the sky's the limit, and I think you should try out this approach. Enjoy, and if you like this video, then please hit the thumbs up button and remember to
subscribe.
Yes, thank you. That would make me truly happy. Enjoy.
So kids, that was it for today.